moya wami I like around la yikho like into engiyanyisa ukuluza ngalendlela. I wish like sometimes if like masiluza yabo siluza ngendlela yokuthi siba like dominated. I wish ukuthi masiluza siluza ngendlela yokuthi we didn't create many opportunities. I wish masiluza siluze ngendlela yokuthi awubi nama hopes amaningi yabo through the way vele team vele edlala ngakhona, because like right now I feel like after a long time this is one of the losses, but I think this season this is the first lose where I wouldn't even have a motivation to say, nah, I saw my positives here and there. There were many positives about this game, but I just want to say that if you create many opportunities and then you don't like finish there, maybe this is what is gonna happen. If you have many opportunities about the match, wrap up match, this is what happens. Especially when you're playing against a team where they're like deep, and then you're a bigger team, you're more offensive, these are the kind of things that happen.